Hello. Yum, hot cocoa time. We are back with the keto crate of the month. I can't wait to see what we get and some keto snacks to help us stay on track throughout the rest of the year whenever the holidays come, and it is super hard for some people. Maybe you can relate to this, to stay on track when there's so many goodies, all the parties, all the treats. But with Keto Crate, you get snacks that are keto friendly delivered right to your door to help you stay healthy, stay on track, and stay full without the craving. So let's open up the box. Open me. Yum! This is the November Keto Crate edition. We've got some success stories on keto, which I personally love the keto lifestyle, the keto diet, and what I love about Keto Crate is it helps you stay on track even when life is crazy. But what's so much fun is that you get to try different products that you may not even see at the store yet, and so that's super fun. And then keto is just a lifestyle where you eat low carb, you fill up on healthy fats, and it really helps your overall mood. I don't know about you, but it isn't even that hard these days. With so many good keto-friendly snacks, you can have fun and have keto-friendly snacks too. So part of here is talking about no shame November. Don't let yourself be diet shamed. You know, a lot of people, whenever they have a different diet or lifestyle than other people, people sometimes make fun of you. I know I've experienced that before. You know, I don't know about you guys, but on Thanksgiving, sometimes I just don't eat keto, and I'll try to make healthy choices, but I also want to eat my family favorites as well. But also with that, you don't have to completely derail, but sometimes around the holidays, we put shame on ourselves, like we didn't eat 100% keto, or we maybe splurged a little bit more, but every day is a new start, so don't have any shame in November, and I love that they included that in our Keto Crate. Here is a keto stuffing recipe. I don't know about you guys, but I love stuffing, and keto stuffing is something I want to try, so that's something I'm gonna make. And then also, there's turkey tips. So obviously on Thanksgiving, we typically eat turkey, which is amazing because turkey is keto friendly. So fill up on turkey, enjoy that in so many recipes, and enjoy the holidays. No matter if you're gonna be strict on keto, if you're gonna be a little lazy on keto, if you're gonna splurge, you can get back on track. Every day's a new start. And with Keto Crate, you can snack smart every single day. So let's dive in and what is in our Keto Crate. You guys, the very first snack is a keto-friendly Pop-Tart, keto-friendly Pop-Tart. I haven't had a Pop-Tart in years because normally they are loaded with sugar like crazy, like that first bite, you get like a sugar high. These Pop-Tarts, it says it right here, there's less than 1 gram of sugar and 9 grams of protein. Holy moly, this is gonna help me enjoy the holidays a little bit more this month. We have a chocolate chip keto bar. This says Hungry Buddha. And sometimes I am a little hungry. This is chocolate chip, yum. A fat bar, chocolate bites, 3 grams net carb keto. Excited about that. I love everything chocolate, so fill up on chocolate, I love it. This is a keto lemon almond crunch bar. I know sometimes I am in the mood for crunchy, and this sounds really good. It has pistachios, it looks like, and almonds, so that sounds great. Protein croutons. If you eat salads, you know sometimes you just want some croutons, and so this is something that you can put on your salad. It's keto friendly. That is amazing. It's Parmesan herb. Yum. This is Curly Girls Candy Hemp Brittle. I have never, ever tried anything like that before, but I love brittle, and that is going to be yum. Ooh, some more puffs. This is a crispy cuts pork rinds, and it's Island Barbecue. So that is good, especially if you're someone who likes something crunchy. I know I hear that from a lot of people that they don't really like sweet stuff so much. They really crave their chips and different salty snacks. And so this is one thing that's yum, barbecue flavored. I haven't had anything like that before, so I'm excited to try. Keto Farms Zesty Ranch Crunchy Cheese Mix. So it feels like smallish bites, and it has a little picture right there. So I think that this is like almonds and cheese bites. Never had anything like that. Excited to try, and it says Zesty Ranch. So if you like ranch, this is a really cool snack. White chocolate peppermint. White chocolate peppermint coffee. Super coffee. So let's see. I love coffee. This has caffeine, which is a part of coffee. White chocolate peppermint. Let me see if you just drink it. I would actually probably add it to my coffee. This is, it says tired of unhealthy energy drinks. So they removed the negative and added the positive. There's no added sugar, nothing artificial, and it has protein and MCT oils, which is brain food. So that is super yum delicious. And it's white chocolate peppermint, which is the perfect flavor for this season. Now, crunchy cheese Mediterranean mix. So this is 100% cheese and its natural ingredients. Let's see. It looks like these cute little like cheese bites, which whenever you're in the car or whenever you're just wanting something small, that sounds like something good. This is another beef strip. So this is a beef and veggie strip, and it's fajita flavored, which I love me some Mexican food, so that sounds good. And this is Mission Meats, made with organic vegetables and 100% grass-fed beef. So that's yum, yum, yum. All right, our very last thing in the box. This is more homemade beef jerky. So this is carne seca, all natural, high in protein, no preservatives. It says take a bite of real jerky. Lemon and chili. So we'll have to try that and see how we like beef bites with lemon and chili. Yay, so that was my Keto Crate for November. And if you want to get your own Keto Crate delivered to your house every single month, you can go to join.ketokrate.com and use my discount code GrassfedMama to save even more off of your order and get keto-friendly snacks delivered to your house every single month to help you stay on track and snack keto-friendly. And as always, if you want more content like this, remember to like this video and subscribe so that you